Ever wondered why guys in California dress totally different from guys in New York? Or why cowboy boots look perfectly normal in Texas but get you weird looks in Boston? In the US, fashion isn't about what looks good. It's shaped by geography, culture, and identity. Today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest regional style trends across America, so you can understand how local culture shapes the way men dress. By the end, you will see why American menswear is way more diverse than people think. Alright, let's get something straight. When people say American style, most think of jeans, a t-shirt, and maybe a baseball cap. Simple, boring, predictable. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The US is a massive country. Different weather, different cultures, and different lifestyles. So of course, the way people dress in one state can be completely different from another. For example, a guy in Miami isn't dressing like a guy in Chicago. A tech bro in San Francisco looks nothing like someone from rural Texas. That's why American menswear isn't just one thing, it's a mix, a patchwork, a style tapestry. And today I'm going to walk you through 5 regions and show you exactly how men's fashion shifts as you move across the map. My name is Umari and I'm here to help you upgrade your everyday style. Fast, simple, no fluff. So let's start where the sun shines and the vibe is laid back. Number 1. The West Coast cool, effortless and eco-conscious. California basically has its own fashion language. When you think of Los Angeles, you probably think of palm trees, vintage convertibles, iced coffee, and people who somehow make sweatpants look expensive. The West Coast style is built on one simple idea: effortless, but make it elevated. In LA, guys lean hard into premium basics, good t-shirts, relaxed pants, clean sneakers, lightweight jackets, and minimal accessories. It's casual but never careless. You will see a lot of streetwear influences, but everything looks a bit more polished. Think oversized hoodies paired with tailored pants, or vintage denim with modern sneakers. There's also a huge focus on sustainable fabrics here. Organic cotton, recycled materials, linen. People want to look good and feel like they're saving the planet at the same time. Then you head up to the Pacific Northwest and the vibe changes. Here, style meets survival mode. Rugged outdoor influences, lots of layering and technical fabrics. This is the land of rain jackets, waterproof boots, thick flannels, and earthy tones. It's practical, but in a stylish way. Think Patagonia jackets layered over wool sweaters, hiking boots with selvage denim, beanies that look like they survived 5 winters. The look is relaxed, earthy, and functional. And then there's the Bay Area, the birthplace of tech chic. Here you will see minimalist outfits, neutral colors, and clean lines, comfortable yet polished looks. The typical guy here dresses like he might pitch a startup at 2 p.m. and then go for a coffee at 4. Soft hoodies, merino wool shirts, minimalist sneakers, slim chinos. It's casual but strategic. Comfort is king, but they make it look smart. Number 2. The Southern charm, modern heritage and comfort. Now let's move down south. Here you start to feel tradition a little more. There's a certain pride in local heritage, and that shows in how men dress. Let's start with Texas. This is cowboy country, but not in the Halloween costume way. Modern Texas style is all about updated Western wear. Think well-fitted denim, quality boots, work shirts, leather belts, and clean hats. But everything's more refined now. You will see guys mixing Western pieces with modern silhouettes. It's a confident look that blends function with personal flair. Then you get to the deep south. Places like Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina. Here, dressing up a little isn't weird, it's normal. Men wear lightweight linen shirts, seersucker suits, and loafers, especially when it's hot and humid. it. The vibe is preppy but laid back. It's about staying cool while still looking put together. It's tradition meeting comfort. And then there's Florida. Florida is its own world. Resort wear dominates here. Bright prints, breathable fabrics, open collars, and shorts that actually fit. It's a lot more playful. You will see bold colors, palm prints, Cuban shirts, espadrilles, and unstructured blazers. It's about embracing the sun and not taking yourself too seriously. Number 3, the Northeast edge. Heritage and urban sophistication. Up in the Northeast, things start to feel sharper. The vibe is heritage meets city grit. There's history in the clothes, but it's always styled with a modern twist. Let's start with New York City. This place is the fashion capital of the US. Men here dress with intention. Streetwear meets luxury. You will see guys in tailored pants with sneakers, trench coats with hoodies, vintage pieces styled like runway looks. New Yorkers love making statements without saying a word. Monochrome fits, layered textures, bold accessories, or that one perfect jacket that does all the talking. If you dress well in New York, people notice. Then there's New England. Classic silhouettes. Think Oxford shirts, crew-neck sweaters, wool coats, and sturdy boots. The New England prep look is timeless, but today it's modernized with slimmer fits, higher quality materials, and subtle layering. The result is effortless sophistication. And don't sleep on Philadelphia. The city has a creative edge. You will see urban art influences in how guys dress, layering that breaks the rules, unique accessories, streetwear mixed with thrifted vintage pieces. It's bold, experimental, and personal. Next up, the Midwest. This region is often underestimated in fashion, but it shouldn't be. The style here is practical, yes, but also evolving fast. In Chicago, you can see the city's architecture reflected in the way people dress. Clean lines, strong structure. Smart casual dominates here. Wool coats, sturdy boots, denim jackets, neutral colors, and lots of layering for the unpredictable weather. Chicago men know how to make practical look polished. Then you move further into the heartland. Rural Midwest fashion is deeply connected to workwear. Durable fabrics, functional pockets, rugged boots, and pieces built to last. But it's not stuck in the past. Vintage workwear has become cool again. Men are mixing old-school Carhartt jackets with modern jeans and sneakers. It's raw, honest style. And then there's Minneapolis and St. Paul. This region brings a Nordic-inspired look. Layering is everything. Neutral palettes, sustainable fashion, warm materials, and minimal design. It's cozy but sharp. A clean aesthetic built for cold winters but stylish enough for a night out. Number 5. The cultural blend. How these trends shape modern menswear. Now here's the best part. Even though these styles come from different regions, they're starting to blend. Thanks to social media, guys in Texas wear New York streetwear. Guys in New York wear LA basics. Someone in Chicago might be rocking Florida resort wear in summer. Regional trends are crossing borders, but they still carry their roots. And that's what makes American menswear so interesting. If you understand the regional DNA of these looks, you can mix and match in a way that actually makes sense. You can take the comfort of West Coast fits, add the sharp tailoring of the Northeast, throw in a touch of Southern flair, and make it your own. So next time someone says American style, remember this. It's not one single look. It's a map full of different identities. Each region has its own story and they all feed into what modern menswear looks like today. If you want to level up your personal style, start paying attention to these regional details. Borrow what fits you best, ignore what doesn't, and build a look that's authentically yours. If you want a little shortcut, I've linked some great starter pieces down in the video description. That's it for today's video. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive. And tell me in the comments which regional style fits your vibe the most. Thanks for watching. My name is Umawi. I wish you as always all the best. Until next time. Peace.